Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn on Do Not Disturb feature on your Windows 11. So if you feel notification off is not enough when you need to focus on your work, on your gaming, you can try to turn off notification and also turn on the Do Not Disturb feature. Now all you have to do, you can try to click on Windows logo and click on settings. Here you can jump into system, and here we go, notification. Click it. There are some options here that you can try. One of the feature is Do Not Disturb. Notification will be sent directly to the notification center. You can turn this off, turn this on. Then turn on Do Not Disturb automatically. You can try to choose the time. So this Do Not Disturb feature will on automatically at time that you already set, and also you can repeat daily, weekend or weekdays. And also here you can checklist when playing game, turn Do Not Disturb will on, when duplicating your display, when using app in full screen mode. And for the first hour after Windows feature update, you can try to turn on this mode, Do Not Disturb. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. So click the button below. See you in the next video.